Hey beloved, we are drastically opposite in nature, but will prove everyone wrong by our sheer attraction. No matter what happens, we will never part away. Your magnificent beauty always turns me on. I feel so roused whenever I feel your intimate touch. I want to make passionate love to you. Your inner peace is really important to me. I will not fear any hardship if you touch you. I'll fight till my last breath to make you smile. I get absolutely melted whenever you say I love you. I feel like I am having a lovely dream. I am the luckiest person in the world to have you. I will never stop loving you, dear.